Hi everyone, and welcome to the unboxing of the very new and the latest Noise ColorFit Nav. I was really waiting for this model to come and I just got a chance, I grabbed it. So this is the box on the outside. It's priced at 5999 and let me go ahead and show you guys what comes inside this beautiful box. So here we have a smartwatch with a very matte finished strap. It's absolutely beautiful. This smartwatch is really very lightweighted and the screen looks pretty shiny to me, and this is perfect guys, it's really perfect. And inside the box we also have a very highly magnetic charger and also the ColorFit Nav manual. So here I've switched it on and the display, the coloring, I think it looks absolutely brilliant for this price range. It's really good. So let me go ahead and quickly show you guys how to put on the charger, because I found it a little difficult when I tried it for the first time because I was confused with the polarity, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. And here we need to go ahead and connect and download an app onto our phone called the Noise Fit X. In this app, we find a number of watch faces, I would say about 10 or more, which are already present in it, and I can choose any watch face that I like and save. Voila, it just appears on your smartwatch. This is an amazing feature. It's so fast. And the best of all, I would say, is to have your own customized watch face. Guys, really? I mean, in this price range, I am amazed. I am blown over. Here I get to choose any color of my choice and go ahead and set customized applications onto the screen. So you guys can see they have provided with a number of vertical and horizontal grids, single, double, and any number of grids that they have provided. You can choose any of those options and go ahead and click on them. So you can see, you can set the time, the date, the calories burned, any options, any custom applications that they've given, and customize the watch face as per your need. Here, let me go ahead and quickly just arrange all these randomly and just set a watch face to my preference. This is just for fun. Let me select some feature. Okay, date, yeah, fine. So this looks pretty good, pretty neat, right? So let's go ahead, let's see what's next. So here I get to change the color of these text features that I've already set in the previous place. Wow, that's amazing. And you save. Look at it. That's pretty instant, yeah? Now this feature was totally unbelievable. The clarity with which the image is uploaded, trust me, it's amazing. So here I get to choose any picture, any photograph from my gallery and set up the grids, set up the time, the date, whatever features I want, and go ahead and save it. So here, the only thing that I think is it takes about 30 to 40 seconds to set itself up and upload onto the screen. But I guess it's totally worth the wait because the clarity with which it comes is just like a smartwatch. Trust me. Look at it. I mean, I'm absolutely amazed. It's just so perfect. It just shows the photo as it is without any dots or anything on the screen, and it's pretty good, guys. Trust me, you guys are gonna like it. Now let me go ahead and explain every single feature that you can access on the smartwatch. I'm gonna go ahead and swipe up and we can see these 6 shortcuts that are present. The first one is the settings. We have the accessibility where you can go ahead and set the text size to 3 options, a very small, mid, and the large size that's available on here. The next thing we have is you can switch on the GPS tracking, as it says when you are doing certain activity, it will measure it. Then we have the brightness levels at the most least level to the highest brightness that's available on this smartwatch. The device info basically gives you the model name and the number, that's it. Then we have the orientation. Will you be wearing it on your dominant hand or not? Now this feature is nice. The vibration is you have different levels According to your preferences, go ahead and set whatever you want. I would like to keep it at the lowest level possible, and so that I don't get disturbed from my sleep. You guys get it right. So then we have this wake settings, which can also be accessed on your phone app, and the watch faces, the QR code. Then we have an option to restart your phone, or you can also go ahead and reset it to the default settings. So then we have the battery power, the brightness shortcut that just shows you the aeroplane mode can be switched on. Now this feature is amazing. Find my phone. So this tone basically comes on your phone up until you go and switch it off. I find it pretty amazing because sometimes I forget where I keep my phone if it's on the silent mode. Now this is something that's really amazing because you can access your notifications, your messages that you receive from different people, and go ahead and view them when you swipe down. But the most astonishing thing is you have quick replies already preloaded and available. You can go ahead and change these in your app as to your choices and select any one of these and reply back to them. Instantly the message gets sent. I think this is like a deal breaker because this is something that doesn't come within this price range, right? So now let me go ahead and show you guys the basic features that we have. We have an activity icon which shows your steps, your heart rate, your activity rate, your calories burnt, and you can set these goals on your app directly. The next one that we have here is the alarms that you can set. Let me go ahead and just set an alarm for 7 a.m. I can switch it on, switch it off as per my likes. To go back from this app, we can actually use the icon that's given there, alarms. When you press on it, the touch is pretty nice. Breathe. This app is going to give you countdowns for your meditation, for your breathing techniques, for your pranayams as per your needs. And then we have the heart rate. For this, I'm going to go ahead and place it very tightly on my wrist. As you guys can see, it's going to take about 2 circles. And it's going to give me my heart rate. And you guys know that your heart rate just varies depending on the activities that you're doing. And this is how you get it measured at right intervals. Now we have the music. For this, a song must already be playing on your phone. So you go ahead and you can press the pause button or the play button. And we also have an amazing feature where we can actually control the volume. Here you have to press it a little more than a second. The touch has to be a little stronger to reduce, and then it just gets very easy. So you can use the down button to actually go back of any app that you're already in, and it also works as a volume down button. You guys can see the volume reducing on my phone just by using this button. Let me go and change the song that I've been playing, and the display also changes along with it. I mean, that's amazing. I can actually see the song which I'm playing, play or pause it. Then we have the reminders. Go ahead and set a reminder for your friend's birthday. I don't think that's something you want to be missing. Let us go ahead and track our sleep cycles here. This is an amazing feature because here I get to see how many hours I've slept each day. It's on a daily basis, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and all these things. Have I reached my bedtime goal? And also you have the feature of setting your bedtime. This can be done both in the app and also here on the smartwatch. I think this feature is pretty basic, You have the stopwatch feature. So you can remove or add these features as per your likes. Go ahead, guys. The timer is something that I really needed because I forget a lot of things. And the weather app actually gives us the temperature, the humidity, the place that we are in, and it keeps on updating regularly. The next one is the workouts. I think this is really amazing because it has a number of workouts available to track. We have walking, running, outdoor cycling, indoor walking, indoor running, yoga, strength training, badminton, and dance. I'm gonna go ahead and choose indoor walking. and I can set a goal or I can either start. So I get a countdown and then it starts to measure the number of time that I have worked out for, and the kilometers, the heart rate, and the pace. To end it, I can just swipe and either end or pause my workout whenever I want as per my need and save the complete entire data. Now let me go ahead and track my data in the NoiseX app. So here it shows all the data that the smartwatch has collected, the steps, the calories, the sleep cycle, everything as such. And in the settings, we can go ahead and make the changes that we want to make here also. So I can switch on the auto sleep, set the bedtime. Then we also have an inactivity alert. So if I stay inactive for a certain amount of time, I think this feature helps out to set this inactivity alert. Then we can also go ahead and set reminders as per our need. Anything that you want yourself to be reminded of, you can set it here and it will come onto your watch. Now the hand wash reminder is something that's really new and it's really required at this point of time. It's an amazing new feature that's been added. Here in the display, I can go ahead and change the icons that I want to be displayed on my smartwatch. This is pretty much basic, guys. Let me go ahead and show you guys the advanced settings. Here I have enabled the lift to wake. It works like any other smartwatch or a smartphone, I would say. And the 24-hour time settings can be changed along with the screen time. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I managed to put on the straps onto my smartwatch. So here, there's a small knob given there. So you guys can see it. I've pulled it and yeah, it does keep slipping. I'm a first timer, so I think it was a little bit difficult, but once I got it, it was pretty easy. So I'm going to go ahead and show it again. Just push, and once it's locked in, it's pretty sturdy and it just doesn't come out on its own. I love this part about it because I can change them as per my needs, buy them in the colors that I want and just keep on changing them. Now I'm going to place it on my hand and lock it. This is the final look. How it's going to look on a hand is like this. And I love it, absolutely. So guys, this was all the features that are available on this smartwatch. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and definitely share it with everyone that you want. Take care, bye bye.